god. Okay, firstly, we're in like full lockdown, like full curfew, lots of stuff is shut, food restrictions, etc, etc. So the hair salon is shut, and I'm normally someone who goes and gets blow waves because I found every time I brush my hair, it's just like, and I literally have not air dried or like just cool dried my hair. Apparently this is what it looks like. It is probably heat damaged. It is definitely chemically damaged because it's been bleached twice in the last 6 months. And last week, which was the first time the hair salons were shut in lockdown, I washed my hair and I noticed, I was like, the wet hair is wavy. Like not just a little bit, like really wavy. And so I decided the next time I would wash it, I treated the curly method sort of way, like really moisturizing shampoo and conditioner, no heat, and just using like an old cotton t-shirt to help it air dry. Help, please. If any of you have like wavy or even curly hair, how do you make it not look frizzy? I don't know how to handle it, but I thought for the foreseeable future, while salons are shut, I'm just going to focus on not using heat on it, no cotton towels, things like that. So I'm gonna see what happens. I have a feeling that the waves will start to look a bit better after a few more washes, but we'll see how we go. But yeah, if you have tips, please help me out. I'm struggling. Okay, so it's actually like 12:30 now, so it's a little bit late in the day. I've gone for a walk, I've had my breakfast, I trained. This afternoon I'm going to continue working on my dessert ebook, which I wanted to have out this month, but it has been hard to get all the ingredients that I need to be getting because I have to make the recipes multiple times, make sure I'm really happy with them, and then I can photograph them. So I'm photographing 2 today. I actually was gifted this new Panasonic LUMIX G100 camera, which I'm gonna film all the recipe footage on this, and I'm gonna get Mitch to help me get some moving shots because that will be the real test. Mitch has quite shaky hands, and this has really great stabilization from what I've seen when I've been testing it out anyway. So it is their new vlogging camera, and to be completely honest, like I'm filming on a big DSLR at the moment, but I think I'm gonna be switching my vlogs to this just because it's really, really light. And see, the screen is on the side because a lot of cameras, the screen will flip up instead of flipping to the side, and then you can't put your mic in the hot shoe attachment because you can't just have both things in the way. It's got a changeable lens, so I picked up a macro lens as well, and I'm gonna put that on for some of the footage that I'm doing. And look at this stand it came with. We can record or take a photo right from the handle. I don't normally talk about cameras and stuff like that on my channel, but hopefully you can tell by like how I like to edit and film my videos and stuff that really into that. So today I'm going to photograph white chocolate raspberry muffins and a chocolate fudge. I may not put every ingredient on the screen because I have already shared a few of the recipes from the upcoming dessert ebook, but I don't want to give them all away because I've been working so hard on these for the last few months. Just gonna take a little lunch break. I've got some chicken, brown rice, and green beans. Green beans are just seasoned with salt, and I've just got like a chicken seasoning on the chicken. Nothing extravagant, but I was getting so hungry, and I was like, if I just keep working on these recipes, I'm gonna end up eating like raw muffin mix or something. The fudge mix, which you saw before, that's sitting and cooling in the fridge now. It needs to sit in the fridge for about 2 hours, so that gives me time to like work on the next recipe, and then I can photograph the next one, the muffins, fresh, and then by the time they're done I should be able to pull the fudge out of the fridge and photograph that one.
Very nice.
We've had too many desserts lately.
You've been cooking too many desserts.
Yes.
You just sit in the fridge for a week and you slowly, gradually eat away at them.
So I'm pretty happy with how that filming turned out. So I got Mitch to film the first recipe, and then the second recipe I put the G100 on my tripod, and it was really sharp. The autofocus was really awesome. And partway through I wanted macro footage, so I tried out the 35 to 100mm lens for the camera, and I'm impressed. For a little vlogging camera, it is capable of a lot, so I think it's going to be handy to film my vlogs on that moving forward. So I'm just going to get this footage imported, get these photos ready, and I've already got the recipes written out, the instructions, everything, so I'm just going to dump the recipe and the photos into my InDesign document. I think I only have 3 or 4 recipes left to shoot, so it's not many. Don't know why I keep insisting on wearing white when I'm playing with dirt and cocoa and all other stuff that's gonna get all up in my clothes. Let me turn around. I don't like this lighting. Thanks for hanging out with me today. I hope you had some time to chill out. Sometimes I have that dilemma where I feel like I'm not offering enough with this kind of video, But then I was like reading your comments on some older vlogs, and I see that so many of you enjoy watching them to just like relax and have some peace and quiet, or even just calm down a bit before bed, and I appreciate that. I've been trying to make an effort to live a calmer lifestyle and not be so rushed and frantic and chaotic all the times. Let's catch up in the comments below, and I hope you're having a wonderful evening or day or whatever time it is where you are. If you haven't already, feel free to come and join me on Instagram or TikTok if you want to. My handle on both of those is @RachelAust. You can come say hello there, hit subscribe if you haven't already subscribed here, and I'll catch you guys in my next upload. Bye!